This video is sponsored by the National Frozen and Refrigerated Foods Association. Hi, it's Mimi from Living Well Kitchen, and today I'm making chicken nugget and vegetable kabobs with a spicy peach dipping sauce. These kabobs are simple to prepare with everything cooked in the oven. They'll make entertaining easy and are fun to serve and enjoy. We're chopping the vegetables to start. You can do this ahead of time, or you can get someone to do it for you while you're getting ready. Cut your vegetables in big enough pieces that they'll fit on the skewers, but not too big that they take forever to cook. So we're putting them all in a bowl. Then you'll make a quick marinade for the vegetables using olive oil, lemon juice, and spices. Now gently stir it together, trying not to bruise the vegetables, just making sure everything is coated. Now set this aside, and we'll make the sauce. You'll make the dipping sauce while the vegetables are marinating and the oven's preheating. Chop some green onions, and we're gonna chop some jalapeno. I'm gonna take out the seeds and the ribs because that's the spiciest part of the jalapeno. You are welcome to leave those in depending on how spicy you like things. We're using this YQ yogurt by Yoplait for the sauce. We've got the peach flavor. I really like it because it doesn't have a ton of added sugar. We're just gonna scrape it into a bowl, add the jalapenos and onions. Then add a pinch of salt and some lemon juice. Then cover this and put it back in the fridge while you're cooking your kabobs. Now it's time to make our kabobs. You'll thread all the vegetables onto the skewers. Be sure to leave a little bit of room so you can put the chicken nuggets on there after they're done. What I love about this recipe is that you're using the frozen chicken nuggets, so you're saving tons of time, and everybody likes chicken nuggets. Once all the vegetables are on skewers, you'll add the chicken nuggets to a baking sheet. These Tyson Naturals chicken breast nuggets are great because they're fully cooked, they have no artificial ingredients, and they have no preservatives. Halfway through cooking, flip the kabobs and nuggets. Remove from the oven and put the nuggets on the skewers if desired. Serve with the dipping sauce and enjoy. For the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share.